Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know how I get down. I'm actually getting ready to change some oil on a vehicle. And a lot of times the oil filters are very hard to get off. So I have a tool, bear with me. This tool right here, all you have to do is find, it has different depths. Got an airplane. And all you have to do is put it on and you see how that fits. And you just put a ratchet right here, an extension, and just pull it right on off. Let me clean up my lenses. And that's how you do that. You can see how that's almost a perfect fit. And it's very easy to get it off because these cars, a lot of them have different fittings. So you just hold on, I'll take this off, pull this apart. I do apologize, ladies and gentlemen, I'm doing this with one hand, but as you can see, I have different sizes that this particular tool will fit. And once I get the size, all I do is slap the cap on this way or that way, put it on the oil filter, and pull it completely off. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.